In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Wells Fargo login problems. Let's get started. First, make sure you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for typing errors, accidental spaces, and make sure the caps lock key is turned off. If you have forgotten your login credentials, click the Forgot Username or Forgot Password option on the Wells Fargo sign-in page and follow the on-screen instructions to recover your account. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app or website from loading properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if you are using Wi-Fi. Next up, clear cache and cookies if you are using a web browser. Launch your browser, click on three dots, select the option. Delete browsing data, select the time range. Then click on delete data and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is check for app updates. For that, head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Wells Fargo. If you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, you can check the server status of Wells Fargo. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Wells Fargo server outages. Now navigate to the website down detector. If you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If you have entered the wrong password multiple times, your account may be temporarily locked for security reasons. Wait for the recommended time or use the account recovery options to unlock your account. If none of these steps work, contact Wells Fargo customer service for additional assistance. So that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to log into your Wells Fargo account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.